Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
I will explain how to update Airpods Pro firmware when you use Android daily. Apple requires an Apple device to install firmware updates for AirPods. You need temporary access to an iPhone, iPad, or Mac for the update. Charge AirPods and the case to at least 50% before you start. Connect to a stable Wi-Fi network on the Apple device for the update download. Keep both earbuds and the case within 3.5 inches of the Apple device while updating. Begin by pairing your Airpods Pro with the available iPhone or Mac temporarily. Open the Airpods case within 3.5 inches of the Apple device and follow the on-screen pairing prompts. After pairing, place both AirPods in the charging case and keep the case lid open. Connect the case to power so it charges during the update process. Keep the Apple device on, unlocked, and connected to Wi-Fi for about 30 minutes until the update completes automatically. After waiting about 30 minutes, verify the firmware version on the Apple device. On iPhone, open Settings, tap Bluetooth, find your AirPods, and tap the info icon to view firmware. If the version did not change, restart the Apple device and try the process again. If it still stalls, perform a factory reset on your AirPods and repeat pairing and update steps. Finally, return your AirPods to Android and confirm functionality after the Apple-based update completes successfully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.